we had more sawdust. A lot more. Covering this place at this stage. But I've been getting more work done. The weather isn't particularly the best, but yeah, we're working in between though. Just finished one of the big ones. I really like this one. I have to say this is my favorite piece of these so far. I think I might be doing more big bowls. It's a bit easier to clamp down and everything. And more sawdust. End of the day now. It's getting a bit late. I've got to back up. Well, I just backed up. But these came along nicely. I was busy drying still. Still kind of want to flip some of those, but yeah, I think I can flip these two so they can dry a bit more on the underside. Yeah. I think it wasn't a complete day wasted, luckily.